I see some little markings going on around here.
Yeah.
Oh, you open it up some so you got room to repair that corrosion right there, huh?
You're right, yeah.
You got enough room in there?
You got yeah, we got enough room right there. So we're gonna be, you know, fixing this area, clean this a little bit more,
Yeah.
and fixing this area, and you know.
Right. This is
Treat
why,
it.
like, this is a perfect example, guys, as to why when, you know, when I do have serious customers that call and they want price points, they want to know, you know, how much, you know, does this cost? Like, this is why I tell them you can give somebody a vague estimate because you don't know once you actually get into the project, other things that you're going to have to do. Rust corrosions in parts of the car that, you know, once you start digging into it, it exposes other things around the same area. So all of this has to be stripped clean to the metal and investigated, but that's another chapter in the book beyond getting the roof on. So rust repair, 101. Let's go. This is the part that's still left on the car. So this is the A pillar. This whole piece is the A pillar and it mounts to the roof here. So then you could see this same piece over there with red cleaned up. Roof cleaned up, about ready to get chest fitted on the hood. See little areas that have to be fixed. It had a little corrosion. Red cleaned it. Got a lot of the surface rust that was on it off and, you know, prepped the metal, you know, for years going forward. So you see all of the A pillars and everything already off on both sides. Everything came out that was drilled. So, yeah. Let's go.
Can hardly sleep at night, doing crazy dreaming. You're the reason why, hiding by the baby, losing my mind. Don't try to save me. I feel alive. My world is faster and faster. The tears and the laughter. I'm here for the ride. Yes, yes, I'm an emotional mess. Yes, but you wouldn't want me any less. Yes, 'cause you know how wild it could get to love an emotional mess. Spinning out of control. Don't know what this dance is, but at least I'm not dancing alone. All kinds of crazy. You heard what I said. I blame the love.
So cook up this area. Cook up the area. Put the roof on the top and on the car. That's it. And guess what? Feels perfect.